Trifecta, the 3-step method. So I'm gonna using condensed glue gel first, no wipe, and precision glue gel. So if you are having a really hard time with the crystal placement and then it's coming off and it doesn't stay the way you're expecting it, the crystal Trifecta will be your really a good bestie on your station. So I am going to pick up the condensed glue gel, really thick density, so you don't want to use a lot. However, if you need it like a thicker as more, I mean, if you want more, you can absolutely add more as you need it. So you see that how thick it is. I'm gonna pick a little bit more. You don't want to do too much. Also, you don't want to do too little. Too much, it will going to flood your crystal. Too little is not going to adhere your crystal properly. So apply it and spread it. Okay, make sure you close your condensed glue gel's cap back on. And we are going to float the no wipe top coat on the top. Let's say Ashita, hello, thank you. All right, floating on. You don't want to drag it, so then to pull off your condensed glue gels, you want to keep it and stay nice on. So I'm going to, this is really cool about, I'm gonna pour it in the tray so then you can see how stunning this one is. It's one of my really favorites, like a polished stone to play with. So it's come in the frame, and it's really cool that it's even come with the chain and some crystal AB, and it's a lot for me to place with the centerpiece. It's really nice that it's super cute and it's soft. I mean, it's curved with Chanel. So I'm gonna place it the frame first, and I'm playing it right in the center. Okay. And frame right here. I'm gonna add some detail on this one. Look like a galaxy. You think? And I am using, this is the glow in the dark crystal kits. I'm adding the different sizes on. I'm going to show you my glow in the dark crystal kit just shortly. All right. Right here. I got it. Get some star. Look like a galaxy. And then more. I'm going to add some beads on. More beads. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Hello Instagram viewer, Facebook fam, YouTube, Twitch, and also TikTok too. So I'm gonna add more beads on. So a lot of questions will ask where is the best, it's like, to place your beads on. You can do it right between the crystal and crystals, and you can also do it right between frame and beads. So I'm gonna add the finish of the crystal placement here with the 3 beads. It looks good though. Take this one down. Alright, so happy with this, we're going to cure for 60 seconds. I love this one, it looks so cool. So I just stay right inside of the frame. Hello, Lily. Alright, cure for 60 seconds.